Welcome to the future of online business. 20 creative ideas to start in 2025. Today, we're focusing on an exciting opportunity that taps into one of the hottest e-commerce trends: personalized subscription boxes. Imagine crafting curated experiences that arrive at your customer's doorstep every month. The personalized subscription box model allows you to tailor products to individual tastes and preferences. It's more than just a delivery service. It's an experience that promotes customer loyalty and engagement. Whether your focus is on gourmet foods, beauty products, or wellness kits, the key is to understand and anticipate the needs of your audience. So, how do you launch your subscription box business? Start by identifying your niche and researching potential competitors. Next, source quality products that align with your brand's values. Develop a simple yet effective website, and don't forget about a seamless checkout process. Finally, create a marketing strategy that includes social media campaigns and partnership collaborations to spread the word about your brand. Launching a personalized subscription box business is a creative hustle that offers boundless opportunities. As you embark on this entrepreneurial journey, remember to stay true to your vision and continuously adapt based on customer feedback. Here's to your success in shaping exceptional experiences.